Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, cooled seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. And is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, backup camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.